it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with guys, it's me, NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with 5 products that have actually changed my skin. I am 47 years old, okay? I will be 48 in October. I haven't had dry skin all my life. I've had normal combination skin. As we age, you know, our skin tends to, for me, my skin tends to get drier. Some people are fortunate not to have dry skin. As the years progressed, I tend to see my skin being drier than normal. And even in the summertime, like right now, usually my skin will just feel tight and my skin will feel terrible. But now, the products I found are really working for my skin, and I just wanted to come on and just share some of the success of what I've been doing so far. The first thing is my retinol serum at night. I use a serum and a moisturizer. I was using the serum by Go Pure, which I love, and I'm going to purchase some more, but in the meantime, while I'm purchasing some more, I found some retinol from Advanced Clinicals. It's Advanced Clinicals out this in Walmart, and it was maybe $6, and I just wanted to see how it would work, and it works really well. In the morning, I use vitamin C, collagen. Now, vitamin C is more of a it is an antioxidant, and it helps brighten the skin if it's dull and things like that. So I use the vitamin C. I also have been using collagen. I found this also at Walmart for $5. And here it is right here. We produce collagen on our own. We tend to get older and we age. It's less and less. Collagen helps plump up your skin, gives you that, you know how the teenagers and you see their skin is just plumping. You can just press their skin, it just plumps right back. It just gives you that plumping effect. It helps with fine lines as well. So this works really well together with the rest of the products that I'm using. So the hyaluronic acid serum, I will put the link in the description box below if you are interested in purchasing this. I use the NeeCJae Water Burst Gel as well, and this also has hyaluronic acid in it, and I love this NeeCJae. It is wonderful. I've noticed a really big difference. My skin has never felt this hydrated. I mean, it really feels it's hydrated. It's not over oily, it's not under order, it is perfect. The levels of everything are perfect, and that is amazing to me, because right now, I mean, my skin usually would feel just tight and just thirsty, okay, but not at all. I mean, right now, now I'm drinking water and doing all the things that I normally do. I drink lots of water, and I eat healthy, but I've been doing that, but my skin was just still something was missing. In order, I would start off with my collagen, and then I would use my vitamin C, and I would use the hyaluronic acid, and then also I would use my NeeCJae moisturizer. This is in the daytime, followed by my sunscreen. I never go anywhere without my sunscreen. I use what I use is my retinol serum at night, and I use like some kind of oil if I want to just put a little oil on my skin, or I use my shea butter as a moisturizer at nighttime. That's what I do at night. But my system is working. I love it. My skin just feels soft. It feels glowy. It looks glowy. It's not dry. So I just wanted to come on just to share what has happened to my skin. I love the results, and so far so good. I will keep you updated, but right now my skin feels perfect, okay? It's not dry at all. So yeah, when we age and we get a little older, we tend to, just our skin it's just different, and we have to find things to try to replenish and bring back everything that we are actually losing. You know, we lose elasticity and firmness, and sometimes it starts to sag and look dull and things like that. So we have to find remedies, and I think I found my remedy so far, and who knows, in the next 2 or 3 years I may have to change it up, but right now this is working. So yeah, thank you guys so very much for tuning in. I will put everything in the description box below, so you can click on it and you can check it out if you want to purchase this, and check it out at Walmart if you want to find. I'm always trying to find things that's affordable that I can come on and share with you guys that work. Okay, so yeah, retinol and this collagen is in Walmart and they work. So yeah, thank you guys so much again for tuning in. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.